In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Hootsuite to plan, post, monitor, and analyze your social media. First, log into Hootsuite using your usual credentials. Once you're in, take a second to confirm you're in the correct account or workspace if you manage more than one brand. This ensures everything you create and schedule lands in the right place. If you're prompted for permissions, allow them so Hootsuite can work smoothly with your social networks. Next, connect the social accounts you want to manage. Head to your account settings and add each profile like Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, or TikTok. Grant the requested permissions, and when prompted, select the specific pages or profiles you'll be posting to. It's normal to see authorization windows from each platform. If something doesn't connect on the first try, reauthorizing often fixes it. Once connected, you'll see these profiles available across the app. Now, create your content in Composer. Choose the profiles you want to post to, then write your caption. Add media like images or videos, and include links with tracking if you use them. Tailor the message per network. Hashtags might be great on Instagram, but shorter text could work better on X. Use the preview to double check how the post will look on each channel. If you're not quite ready, save it as a draft so you can refine it later. When it's time to schedule and organize, switch to Planner. Here, your calendar view makes it easy to spot gaps and keep a consistent cadence. Pick your publish date and time, and drag and drop posts to adjust. Pay attention to time zones if you're working with multiple regions. Color coding by network or campaign can help you visualize your mix. If your team reviews content, leave clear notes in the post for smooth approvals. To stay on top of conversations, use streams. Set up columns to track mentions, keywords, and your own posts for each connected account. You can reply, like, and engage directly from streams, which saves a lot of time. Add an inbox or messages stream to catch DMs and comments quickly. Consider a keyword stream for your brand terms or campaign hashtags so you don't miss untagged mentions. Finally, open analytics to review performance and improve future posts. Filter by date, range, and network to see metrics like engagement, reach, clicks, and follower growth. Identify top performing posts, note the formats and posting times that worked best, and use those insights to refine your next batch. If you report to stakeholders, export or share dashboards to keep everyone aligned. And that's it. Log in, connect, compose, schedule, monitor, and analyze for a streamlined social workflow in Hootsuite.